Hello and welcome again. My name is Josh, and today's video is on installing NodReactions for Google Chrome. So first of all, you'll need to open up Google Chrome and be signed in with your school account. You can always click here to change or see which account you're signed in as. And then up in the address bar, you're going to type in NodReactions. The result we are looking for is at chrome.google.com. That'll get us to the Chrome extension that we are looking for. It'll look like this with a little thumbs up and offered by Jamie Carr. I'm going to click the Add to Chrome button, and it's going to ask if it's okay to change our data on meet.google.com and communicate with their websites to give them statistics and such. So I'm going to click Add Extension. Now, if you're on a personal device, it's that simple. It's free, and now you have the little thumbs up icon there, ready to rock. If you're using a school-provided computer running Windows, you will need help in doing this. So call the help desk or send us an email with a number and or time to reach you so that we can help you through that process. And coming up here in a moment, I will demonstrate all the useful things it's good for when I have a meet with my guys later today. Thanks. Hello everyone, my name is Josh and I'm broadcasting once again from my back porch studio. And today I'm going to be talking about NodReactions. I have here on a Google Meet Dave and Justin. Say hi, guys.
Hello. Howdy, howdy.
And we're going to be showing you how this works in practice. So let's imagine that these guys are muted because they're just big old loudmouths, right? So I'm going to mute David for everyone. I'm tired of listening to him. I'm going to mute Justin because, you know, he's got a screaming younger sister in the background there, and you know, we don't need to be listening to that either. So now they're muted. And let's say that I'm going through stuff and I just want to gauge, like we would in a classroom, roughly, who's paying attention, who needs help, who doesn't need help, or whose turn it is to unmute them, right? So if you'd like to be unmuted, please raise your hand. All right, see how this pops up here in the bottom left-hand corner? And it said, David raised their hand, Justin raised their hand. They're able to do that because of this plugin right up here. So if they hover over the thumbs up, there's lots of other emojis that they can put out there. They can give thumbs up, well done, not sure about that, wow, lol. You guys feel free to have fun right now. Or they can raise their hand, right? They only get this if they have the Nod extension. So we've rolled that out automatically on Chromebooks, but other devices either has to be installed manually. You may need our help with that. That's fine. If you have any questions or things aren't going according to plan, go ahead and reach out to your help desk and we'll get that taken care of for you. The other thing thanks for watching today's video, and as always, have a good day.